Hello, dear friends. Myself, Dr. Surekha Jaiswal, Head Department of Physics, Moreshwar Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bhukarganj, District Jalna. Today we will see electricity and magnetism. Course code number PHY 105, paper number 5, semester 2nd. In previous lecture, we study vector differential operator, gradient of scalar function, grad phi equal to del phi equal to deva phi by deva x into I plus deva phi by deva y into j plus deva phi by deva y into k. So del phi equal to deva by deva x into I plus deva by deva y into j plus deva by deva y into k into phi. So this is gradient of a scalar point function. Now also we study the geometrical interpretation of del phi and divergence of vector. Divergence of vector del dot f is defined by del dot f equal to deva f by deva x into I plus deva f by deva y into j plus deva f by deva z into k. So divergence of f equal to del dot f equal to deva by deva x into I plus deva by deva y into j plus deva by deva z into k into f1i plus f2j plus f3k. So divergence of f equal to del dot f equal to deva by deva f1 by deva x plus deva f2 by deva y plus deva f3 by deva z. That is about the divergence of vector. And also we see physical interpretation of curl of vector. Now curl of vector f equal to deva by deva x into I plus deva by deva y into j plus deva by deva z into k cross f1i plus f2j plus f3k. So del cross f equal to determinant of I j k deva by deva x deva by deva y deva by deva z f1 f2 f3. So del cross f equal to deva f1 by deva y minus deva f2 by deva z into I plus deva f1 by deva z minus deva f3 by deva x into j plus deva f2 by deva x minus deva f1 by deva y into k. So that is about curl of f. And today's contents are vector integration, Gauss divergence theorem and Stokes theorem. Now vector integration, there are three types of vector integral. First, the line integral. The integration of a vector along a curve is called line integral. Now see in figure line integral. Let r equal to f of t represents continuously differentiable curve C and f of r be a continuous vector function acting at P. The unit vector along the tangent at P be dr by ds. So the component of along the tangent at P is f bar dot dr by ds. Then integral over c f bar dot dr by ds into ds equal to integral over c f bar dot dr is called the line integral of the vector function f of r along the curve c. So by line integral we means the integration of a vector function along a curve. So line integral is given by integral over c f bar dot dr by ds into ds equal to integral over c f bar dot dr. Now, if f bar r f of r represent the velocity of the flowing fluid, then closed integral over c f bar dot dr is called the circulation. The symbol closed integral represent the closed curve. If the circulation is zero around any closed curve in a region, then f of r is called irrotational in that region. Note 2, that is, if a force F bar acting on a particle causes a displacement delta r of the particle, then the total work done by the particle is moving from a point P to Q along the curve is given by integral over P to Q F dot dr. Now surface integral. Let S be the outward surface of a body as shown in figure, and ds be the magnitude of the elementary area over S, and n cap be the outward unit normal to ds taken as positive, and ds bar be the vector area of ds. Now let f bar be the continuous vector point function. Then the outward flux due to f bar equal to double integral over s f bar dot ds equal to double integral over s f bar dot n cap ds is one of the type of surface integral. Now the volume integral. If we consider a closed surface in space enclose a volume V, then triple integral over V a dV is known as volume integration. Let a equal to a1 I bar plus a2 j bar plus a3 k bar. In Cartesian coordinate system, triple integral over V a dV equal to in triple integral of a1 I plus a2 j plus a3 k dx dy dz. So triple integral over V a dV equal to I into triple integral of a1 dx dy dz plus j into triple integral of a2 dx dy dz plus k into triple integral of a3 dx dy dz. So that is about the volume integral. Now Gauss divergence theorem. Gauss divergence theorem enable us to transform a volume integral into surface integral. Now see statement of this Gauss divergence theorem. The volume integral of the divergence of a vector field f bar taken over any volume V is equal to the surface integral of f bar taken over the closed surface S surrounding the volume V. Now triple integral over V divergence of f bar dV equal to triple integral over V divergence del dot f bar into dV, that is equal to double integral over s f bar dot ds bar is equal to double integral over s f bar dot n cap ds bar. So proof of this statement. See, let f bar equal to f1 I plus f2 j plus f3 k. Now expanding the LHS of the equation 1. See equation 1. The LHS of equation 1 is triple integral over V divergence of f bar dv is equal to triple integral over V dabba by dabba x f1 plus dabba by dabba y f2 plus dabba by dabba z f3 dx dy dz. Now triple integral over V divergence dot f bar dot dv equal to, now triple integral over V dabba by dabba x f1 dx dy dz plus dabba by dabba y f2 dx dy dz plus dabba by dabba z f3 dx dy dz. Now we may consider a strip parallel to z axis seen figure. So that strip is here parallel to this z axis and which meet the upper surface of the volume V at S2 z equal to f2xy, and for lower surface S1 z equal to f1xy, and let R be the projection of V on xy plane. Again let the above strip meets the region R at xy 0. Let us consider the volume integral triple integral over V dabba f3 by dabba z dx dy dz. So triple integral over V dabba f3 by dabba z dx dy dz equal to double integral over R into integral of dabba f3 by dabba z dz, integral varying from f1 to f2 dx dy. So triple integral over V dabba f3 by dabba z dx dy dz equal to double integral over R f3 xy f2 minus f3 xy f1 dx dy. Let n cap be the unit outward normal to the bounding surfaces. Then ds equal to dx dy upon n cap into a k cap for the upper surface, and ds equal to minus dx dy upon n cap into k cap for the lower surface. Therefore, double integral over R f3 x y f2 dx dy equal to integral of f3 n cap k into ds and double integral of r f3 xy f1 dx dy equal to integral over s1 f3 n k ds. Therefore, triple integral over v dabba f3 by dabba z dx dy dz equal to integral over s2 f3 n cap k cap ds plus integral over s1 f3 n cap k cap ds and triple integral dabba f3 by dabba z dabba dx dy dz equal to integral over s f3 n cap k cap ds. So in similar way we can prove triple integral over v dabba f2 by dabba y dx dy dz equal to f integral over s f2 n cap j cap ds and triple integral over v dabba f1 by dabba x dx dy dz equal to integral over s f1 n cap I cap ds. Now combining these 4, 5 and 6 we get triple integral over v divergence of f bar dv equal to integral over s f1 I cap plus f2j plus f3k into n cap ds. So triple integral over v divergence of f bar dv equal to integral over s f bar dot n cap ds. Now Stokes theorem. Now see statement of Stokes theorem. The tangential line integral of a vector function around any closed curve is equal to the surface integral of the normal curve of that function over any enclosed surface which has the curve for its bounding edge. So Stokes theorem is double integral of s del cross f dot n cap ds equal to integral over c f bar dr bar. This result is due to Irish mathematician George Gabriel Stokes. Now, proof of this Stokes theorem. Let the surface S be enclosed by the curve C. The projection of S on xy plane B are bounded by the simple curve. Let S be represented by Z equal to f of xy, where f is the single valued continuous and differentiable function. N cap be the unit normal to the surface as shown in figure. Now let f bar equal to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. Now we can write del cross f1 I cap equal to determinant of I j k dabba by dabba x dabba by dabba y dabba by dabba z f1 0 0. So del cross f1 I cap equal to dabba f1 by dabba z into j minus dabba f1 by dabba y into k. So del cross f1 I cap into n cap ds equal to dabba f1 by dabba z into n cap j cap minus dabba f1 by dabba y into n cap k cap ds. So again, if r bar be any point on S, then r bar equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Therefore, dabba r by dabba y equal to, now taking partial derivative of r bar with respect to y, that is dabba r by dabba y. So that is equal to j cap plus dabba z by dabba y into k cap as z equal to f of x y. Therefore, n cap dabba r by dabba y equal to n cap nj plus dabba z by dabba y into n cap k cap equal to 0, as n cap be the normal to the surface and dabba r by dabba y is tangent to the surface, so n cap dabba r by dabba y equal to 0. So n cap dot j cap equal to minus dabba z by dabba y into n cap into k cap. Putting in 1 we get del cross f1 I cap dot n cap ds equal to minus dabba f1 by dabba z into dabba z by dabba y n cap k cap plus dabba f1 by dabba y n cap k cap into ds. So f1 as a function of xyz and z is a function of xy. So f1 is a function of xy. Let f of f1 xyz equal to phi of x y. Therefore, delta f delta phi by delta y equal to delta f1 by delta y plus delta f1 by delta z into delta z by delta y. Again, ds equal to dx dy upon n cap into k cap. So using 4 5 3 we get del cross f1 I cap n cap ds equal to minus delta f delta phi by delta y dx dy. So using Green's theorem, close integral over c m dx plus n dy equal to double integral of s delta n by delta x minus delta m by delta y into dx dy for m equal to 5 and n equal to 0. Close integral over phi dx equal to double integral of r minus delta phi by delta y dx dy. But close integral of phi dx equal to close integral over c f1 dx as for each point x y phi x y on the boundary m is same as f1 x y z on c double integral over s del cross f1 I cap n cap ds equal to integral over c f1 dx. In a similar way, considering the projection of the surfaces on yz and zx plane, we can prove double integral del cross f2 into j cap n cap ds equal to integral over c f2 dy and double integral of del cross f3k into n cap ds equal to integral over c f3 dz. So adding 8, 9 and 10 we get double integral over s del cross f1 I cap plus f2j plus f3k into n cap ds equal to integral over c f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz or double integral of del cross f bar dot n cap ds equal to integral over c f bar dot dr bar. Thank you.